Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Adobe Firefly. So here we are. Love this picture. Now let's start. What is Adobe Firefly? Adobe Firefly is an AI-powered generative AI service from Adobe. It is designed to help creatives generate images, edit existing images, and create text effects using AI. Now let's look at the key features. The 4 key features are: 1. Text-to-image generation. You can easily describe an image in words, and Firefly will generate images based on your description. Next, we have the generative fill effect or feature. This powerful tool allows you to remove or replace parts of an image using text prompts. Then the third one is text effect. You can apply stunning styles and textures to your text with just a few clicks. And the last feature is generative recolor. Easily recolor your vector art with AI-powered suggestions. Now let's get into the step-by-step tutorial on how to use Adobe Firefly. Number 1, you have to access the Adobe Firefly by visiting the official Adobe Firefly website. You may need an Adobe ID to access the service. Secondly, you have to choose a tool. We have the 4 tools, which are text-to-image, generative fill, text effects, and generative recolor options. So you choose the one you want. Next, you have to provide instructions. For example, if you're using the text-to-image, you enter a detailed and descriptive text prompt. The more specific you are, the better the results. For example, if I want to be specific, I can just go to that option, click on the text-to-image option, and type in a futuristic cityscape with flying cars, neon lights, and a cyberpunk aesthetic. So I'm very specific here, so the image also will be accurate. Next, if you're using the generative fill, make sure you upload your image and use the provided tools to select the area you want to modify. Then provide a text description of what you want to add or replace, and Adobe Firefly will do that for you. Next, text effects. When you are using the text effect options, don't forget to type your text and use the available options to adjust the style, the color, the texture, and more. Then when you're using generative recolor, upload your vector art and provide a color palette or a general description of desired color scheme you want to use. Then when you're using, then the next thing you do is to generate the image. Remember, we're going through the steps. The first step is to access Adobe Firefly. Second one, choose a tool. Third one, provide detailed instructions. And now the fourth thing you need to do is generate. So after doing all this, just click the generate button. Firefly will use AI to process your request and generate the desired output. Once it has been generated, you are now to refine this diagram, this art, and download it. Now let us see. What do you mean by refine? You need to adjust it. Sometimes you need to adjust generated output by modifying your prompt or generating the image. If it doesn't give it to you, if the image generated is not exactly what you want, then you can easily modify the prompt you gave to the AI and ask it to regenerate the image again. Now, once you're satisfied with the results, simply download the image in your preferred format. Now, let me give you some tips for better results. Number 1, use descriptive language. The more specific your prompts, the better the AI will understand your vision. Next, do not forget to experiment with different keywords and styles. Then, don't forget to refine your prompts. Adjust your prompts based on the initial results to get closer to your desired outcome. Then, explore the different tools and features. Experiment with all the features of Adobe Firefly to discover its full potential. Now, please note, Adobe Firefly is an evolving service, and its features and capabilities may change over time. The quality of generated output can vary depending on the complexity of the request and the quality of your inputs. So I hope this tutorial helps you get started with Adobe Firefly. Let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, everyone.